Miss Kelly, what's your name?
Manamayaman.
How are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm good.
How old are you? Is it a skirt? Yes or no? Is it a skirt? What number is it?
Number 10.
Are you a boy or a girl?
Boy.
What shape is it?
Triangle.
What shape is it? What shape is it?
Square.
What shape is it?
Sao.
What shape is it?
Triangle.
What color is it?
Low.
What color is it?
Red.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What color is it?
Bean.
What animal is it?
Chicken.
What animal is it?
Cow.
What animal is it?
Gấu.
What animal is it? What animal is it?
Gấu.
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What are these?
Sâu.
What are these?
Sao giờ?
What's this?
No.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Ben.
Who's this? Who's this? That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. High five. High five.